Abdurrahman Saab's question is related with verse number 11 from chapter 59, Surah Al-Hashr. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wallazina ja'u min ba'dihim yaquluna rabbana ighfir lana wa li ikhwanina allazina sabaquna bil iman wa la tajal fi qulubina ghillan lillazina amanu rabbana innaka raufur rahim. The translation is, and the spoils are also for those who came after them. They say, our Lord, forgive us and our brothers who preceded us in the faith, and have not in our hearts any rancor against those who believe. Our Lord, thou art indeed compassionate, merciful.
Is there a relation between وَالَّذِينَ جَاءُوا, those who came after them, and first in Surah Al-Jum'ah, وَآخَرِينَ مِنْهُمْ لَمَّا يَلْحَقُوا بِهِ?
No, I don't think it has any connection with that. The word akhirin is used about the latter days, and there is no question of having any rancor against them. We are the people of the latter days, and we love them so much. There is no question of entertaining any rancor whatsoever. But this verse applies to Shiaism, in fact. One of the early imams of Shias was approached by an extremist Shia who started abusing Hazrat Khalifa al-Masih, Hazrat Khalifa Rasulullah Awwal, Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar and Hazrat Usman. So he was very angry, the Imam, of having heard it. And he said, haven't you heard this verse of the Holy Quran? That they preceded us in Islam. And it was because of their sacrifices that we have become Muslims. It's a shame on you. You get away from my sight. And pray to Allah that Allah may remove all rancor which I find in your heart against those awwaleen. So this is connected with that, not with the latter days.
We had a discussion with him yesterday, connected the two verses. That's why I'm asking you.
So we had a discussion with a Somali person. He connected the two verses together. That's why I have asked.
How did he connect? I can't understand. Is he a Somali non-Ahmadi person?
He is non-Ahmadi, yes.
So how did he connect it with the people of the latter days?
So we were briefing to him about the coming of the Prophet ﷺ from this verse, وَآخَرِينَ مِنْهُمْ لَمَّا يَلْحَقُوا بِهِ. And he said, no, this verse is connected with that verse.
Do explain it to him now. It has nothing to do with this.